Before installing any RSS shower pan, ensure that your subfloor is clean, flat, and level. Once you've checked to make sure that it is, start by dry fitting your shower pan. We'll be using a custom Pro Series shower pan with built-in curb for this demonstration. An integrated curb can make your installation easier and faster, as well as make tile leveling simpler. Any installation differences between the two types of shower pans will be mentioned later. If you're interested in a custom shower pan, you can learn more with the QR code on screen or with the link in the video description. Now remove your shower pan, keeping track of the area that it covers. This is so you know where to apply modified thinset. Using a trowel's flat side, apply a thin coat of modified thinset. Next, with the notched side of a 1/2 or 3/8 of an inch square notch trowel, apply a thick coat of thinset over the thin coat. Always use directional troweling, meaning all the lines in the thinset should run in the same and the shortest direction. This helps your modified thinset cure properly. Apply an additional thin layer of thinset with the smooth side of your trowel to the bottom of your shower pan. Now set your shower pan into place. Once your shower pan is in place, apply pressure over its entire surface to ensure good contact with the thinset. Gently walking on the shower pan can be helpful to apply adequate pressure. Ensure that your shower pan is level by checking its edges. RSS shower pan centers are sloped to ensure good water drainage, so be sure not to judge level somewhere that is purposefully sloped. Clean off any excess thinset that's squeezed out from under the shower pan. Pro Series shower pans are designed to be installed easily with RSS Pro wallboards, so we'll be using those here. Before installing Pro wallboards, run a 1/2 inch thick continuous bead of RSS sealant inside the channel between the shower pan and the walls. Now your wallboards can be installed. Smooth out excess sealant using a flat or corner RSS trowel. In this case, since it's a corner, we'll be using an RSS corner trowel. To learn more about RSS Pro wallboards, check out our Pro wallboards installation video or visit our website linked below. Next, install your RSS shower pan compatible drain per its manufacturer's instructions. For this installation, we'll be using the new RSS drain with a twist, since its height can be adjusted after installation to match tile height. A shower curb can now also be installed if your shower pan doesn't come with one attached. We'll be using an RSS Pro curb since they're made to work well with the RSS Pro Series shower pans. RSS Pro curbs should be cut 1/4 of an inch shorter than the gap they're spanning. This is to ensure a 1/8 of an inch gap between both walls for sealant. Pro curbs can be cut with an ordinary chop saw. Next, modified thinset should be applied generally the same way it was for the shower pan. Apply your smooth thin coat of modified thinset to the floor. Now cover that same area with a thick coat using your square notch trowel. Again, make sure to use directional troweling, so having all of your lines running in the same direction and the shortest direction. Next, apply a generous amount of sealant covering the area of your walls that the shower curb will cover. After that, apply 2 more 1/2 inch continuous beads of sealant on both the top and sides of the groove of your shower pan. Also, apply a thin coat of modified thinset to the bottom of your curb. Then install it. Check level on your curb, then clean off any excess thinset and smooth out any excess sealant. Lastly, apply a 1/2 inch continuous bead of RSS sealant along each seam of your shower pan. Smooth this out using RSS trowels. If you have a separately installed curb like the one that we just showed, then you'll also need to apply an extra bead of sealant in between the shower pan and the curb. Your shower pan installation is complete and, once cured, ready for tile to be installed. If you need more details or assistance, visit Revolutionary Shower Systems website linked down below or with the QR code on screen.